for habits that will change your life and personality. Also, we have prepared a simple task at the end will probably surprise you. Stay tuned. Everyone have made mistakes in the past. Usually, we are average human being trying hard to become better person in the workplace and home life. I will never be perfect, but it doesn't mean I won't try to improve my personality. Number one habit is be honest. Question is how to be honest. Be honest and direct. Don't lie or make promise what you actually can't do. How would you feel when someone keep promising about things you want he or she done for you and they lie to you? Probably it will against your trust or violation of your good soul. If you want to be a better person in either your personal or professional life, you should always tell the truth and don't care. Whatever will happen, state as clearly as possible what you are trying to convey. Simply, I'm going to close this by saying make your action those match your words. Number 2. Tribute yourself. Take a little bit break and tribute yourself. Every night and morning when you wake up, either going to sleep you always have two mindsets. One is positive and other one is negative. Before you leave bed and go on with your daily routine life, just take a little deep breath and couple of minutes to give your personality a compliment. Whether you can compliment your kindness, outfit, haircut, or how you recently helped someone you don't know or you have done a task using your professional skill sets. Number 3. Educate yourself. Educate yourself on trendy topics. If you don't interested in current affairs, then you probably should focus on news and keep yourself educated according to the trend going on in the world. Ask a person intimately connected trendy topic. Question is, what is his or her thought about current or viral news? Remember, we are all interconnected this way. You can easily check point of view with different cultures, mind, build and strong point on the topic. Whenever you speak about current affair, people would love to listen to your opinion. Number 4. Surprise people. Just feel how good when someone make you smile or you do the same with other. It will sound gooder, right? First, surprise yourself with shopping, buy new shoes, go out for a movie after make you feel good. Then surprise your loved one or co-workers with a surprising gift, a night out on the town, or by offering help them carry something. Now, time for determining your personality. Select number 1, 2 and 3. Your result is here. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my channel.